Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a brand new update about Delux that just dropped on this month of July. If you know you are on Delux and you are on as I said, make sure you react with good emojis so that they will know that you are active. Make sure almost every time or time day to day you are going to your Telegram and react on the channel you join with this Delux skills questions. So you are on daily jobbers and you have not withdraw your money. Yes, this video is for you. Come close. And if you are about to register on Delux, come close. This video is for you. So if you are just coming across my video and by name legit update, make sure you subscribe, comment, click the subscription button, comment, share, click the notification bell so that anytime I drop a legit video like this, YouTube will notify you. So the official admin of Delux has finally dropped a secret on how you can withdraw your daily jobbers. Yes, if you are on Delux, if you go to movies clip, all the withdrawal testimony that you'll be seeing there is those that are doing training commission. You will not see any withdrawal of daily jobbers because there is a secret hidden behind the daily jobbers that we don't know and you people don't know about. That's why the daily jobbers are not withdrawing their earnings. It will just be earning. When the months come, it will pass. You know, withdraw. Some of them even tired. They are not even doing the daily jobbers again. So they have finally bring the secret. Yes, I will drop my WhatsApp community link on the video description. I will drop my Telegram community link on the video description. So if you are interested, you click the community link so that anytime a legit update come like this, I mostly drop it there first before anywhere else. So let's go. We are now going to continue with our tutorial from beginning to the end. It's simple and short, but be right assured they will deduct you on your earnings before you can be eligible for the daily jobbers withdraw. Yes, there is something they call the skills questions. Yes, if you have not subscribed on these skill questions, then you will not be eligible for the daily jobbers withdrawal of any on the 7th of month. Yes, so see guys, I always advise you, if you want to join something like this that you must have coach, make sure you find an active coach. Me, when I joined Delux, my coach, for the first day he invite me on Delux and I register on Delux. Since that day he's not replying my message, he's not picking my call. I use my smartness. If you know what they call smart, I use my smartness and be the coach of myself. Yes, I use my smartness and be the coach of myself, and that my smartness is what bring me and give me this secret that I'm about to share with you guys. Not every coach knows the secret. Yes, it's not every coach know this secret. So if you are about to register on Delux and you have not registered on Delux before, just click the link on my video. Sorry, I will drop my WhatsApp link. If you just click it, it will bring it to my WhatsApp and you text me there. All the links I will leave them in my video description and in the comment section. Yes, and then I will leave the WhatsApp community link. There's a difference between WhatsApp community link and my WhatsApp link. The WhatsApp link is the one that you can message me direct. The community link is the one that I'm the one that can pause, you will see it. But the Telegram community link, you can message me there too. Yes, but on the WhatsApp community link you cannot message me. The Telegram community link, I made it for those that have questions. If they have questions, they can ask me. Make sure you don't skip any part from this video. If you skip, you will miss. Yes, I just bring it for those that are interested. If you are not interested, you can scroll, but if you are interested, make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. If not, you will miss. Yes, I said it, you will miss, because my coach that registered me on Delux, he is not replying me. I use my smartness and start being the coach of myself, and it has bring me to the level that I am today. And now I'm going to share this to the training commission, sorry, to the daily jobbers earnings. Yes, if you are seeing the testimonies of people that are withdrawing, if you are watching movies clip on the Delux, it's only those that and training commission you will see the withdraw. You will never see daily jobber withdraw testimony. So from now henceforth, if you do this secret thing, you will now start seeing testimony of daily jobbers withdraw on the movies clip. Now let's go. Let's click on this skill questions. When you click on it, you see what I'm talking about, but be right assured, I don't know if there's the actual amount they withdraw or everybody has his own amount, but me, they withdraw 25 euro in my earnings. Yes, in my daily jobbers earnings. See, if you don't sacrifice that 25 euro, your 8.5 or 12.5 will be in vain. You cannot be eligible for the withdrawal. Make sure you sacrifice it so that you can be eligible for the withdrawal. You see here skills. Let's read here. Explore and subscribe to various skills to enhance your knowledge. So you see my subscribers, 1 2 3 4. You see this one up here with this Delux skills, they are all the same thing. So when you come to the skills question, it will show you you don't have any subscribers. Yes, so you will now click on subscribe, then you will now click on, they will now show you another subscribe again. Just click on it, then it will bring you to the interface. They will deduct the 25 euro by themselves. So when it brings you to the interface, you see this join. When you click on this join, it will take you to your Telegram. So on the Telegram, it will take you to their Telegram channel. So you click on the Telegram channel and join their channel, and make sure you have been active. Sometimes anytime you go there, they will send you a message to check if you are eligible or not. In my next video, I'm going to do a video and show you how they tell me if I am eligible. So and what I'm going to feel to be ineligible. You only need two things to be eligible. They will show you that you are trying, you are doing a better job. So you just put the information. It's only your address and your phone number. You put them, confirm, then you are now eligible for the daily jobbers withdrawal. Yes, so thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, share the video to your friends, click the notification bell so that anytime I drop any video like this, YouTube will notify you. Mind you, this one is very important for those of you that are going to withdraw for the one of August. For those of you that want to withdraw on the month of August, make sure you do this one. If not, you are not going to withdraw again. Thank you. If you mostly check all of this testimony they are showing, they have not shown the one that they withdraw on daily jobbers. They only show the one that are withdrawing on training commission. Yes, that's those that are doing referral. So if you are not doing referral, this is the only way for you to withdraw on Delux, that's daily jobber. So kindly subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so that my next video I will show you if they send you this notification, what you are going to do. They have already sent it for me, but I don't want this video to be more longer. That's why I'm going to cut it. I'll make another video and send it to you, but make sure you join the community link, the community group, so that anytime I drop a new update, you will see it there. Yes, that's the main of joining the community link. Yes, thank you. I will leave the link in the comment section and video description. All the community links, I will leave their links there. All the community group. Subscribe for more love on legit update. Thank you.